Hello everyone, this is Josie. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Josie Variety Vlog. Today I am going to update my Album Monstera variegated, and I propagate this. It was mid-April on spring, so now it's been 7 months. So I was thinking, so um, it's time to update. And so I start with the mother plant. Ito yung original leaves niya na mula pa talaga ng it's been year and a half. Original leaves ito siya. I'm so impressed na sa kagandahan niya at saka yung hindi pa talaga siya na nag-show ng born yung dahon na to. So this is mother plant, and take a look at her variegation, guys, at the top. I don't know if you can see this at the very top. Yeah, right here. She's about to open. I can't wait to see her opening the full leaves and hoping that nice variegation as well. Tapos ito naman siya. Ayan. Super ganda yung ano niya, yung texture niya at saka yung the way that it mixed grain and white variegation. Tapos ito yan ang I think this is the yung unang leaves na lumabas, maliit lang siya Ay, super liit. Tapos yung itong pangalawa, yan, mayroon na siyang nag-umpisa yung dahon niya, pero so far so good. Normal naman ito siya na mag-born din, pero ayoko lang siyang gupitin. Some people na ginugupit nila ito, pero ayoko naman siyang gupitin. Ganyan lang, hayaan ko na yan. Tapos nilagyan ko din ito siya ng shell. Ito siya dito kasi minsan yung roots niya, itong mga aerial root, naglalabasan. I try to save them na umano sila dito sa soil, itong aeroid soil. Kaya some of them, ito naman sumusunod. Yung iba, yung mga kasamahan nito niya, some of them, ini-ignore nila itong shield ko. But it's okay. It's my part experiment. So anyway guys, so far, ilan ang dahon nitong original, not to include sa mother plant. So ano niya, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pang 8 na ito siyang dahon na panibagong lumalabas. Kaya I can't wait to see her grow. Hopefully na may maganda rin siyang variegation, no? Hindi mga either solid grain or albino. Tapos kasi mayroon akong mga kasamahan nito na nag-revert sila. I think 4 sila. Kunti lang talaga masyado yung variegation niya. Ipakita ko rin sa inyo ito. Yeah, that's it. This is the mother plant. Okay, that's it for this, the mother plant. Tapos kunin ko yung iba niya. Ang sa susunod na naman, ito yung maliit na node na wala siyang dahon. Tapos basta inilagay ko siya sa sphagnumos. Tapos tinakpan ko lang siya. Tapos ang node niya ganyan lang talaga kalaki. Ganyan lang talaga, sinubukan ko lang siya kung mabuhay. Tapos ito naman siya ngayon. Maganda, maliit pitit. Yan ang variegation niya. Just a little spot. Yeah. Tapos ganyan din yung mga variegation niya, bawat isa sa kanila. So I'm hoping na habang lumalaki siya, mag-produce ng magandang variegation. Medyo mahina ang tubo niya kasi node lang ito Pero okay lang, nag-catch up naman siya, 5 na yung dahon niya. Kaya okay lang siya. But so far, mayroon siyang nag-umpisa dito medyo nag-bulging siya dito. Kaya lalaki din ito siya, guys. So this is the second cutting from the bottom of the main plant. Okay, let me get the third one. Here. Ito siya yung third cutting. Ganito rin siya. It was known, pang ano ko lang na, just just to try and hoping also na mabuhay ito siya. Kaya ito yung result. The node, hindi siya masyadong malaki, pitit din siya. Kaya lang kasi nag-umpisa siya ng, of course, yung unang dahon niya, ganito, maliit. Tapos siya nag-born na yung variegates ang dahon niya. Tapos ito, yan, ganda ng kulay niya. Ano naman, parang fair naman yung tubo niya. Hindi lahat, we'll see, hindi lahat green. Hindi rin, it's parang even. Maganda yung ano niya, yung so far yung growth niya. Healthy. Tapos yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ito siya. Ang dahon. Yan, ito yung pangatlo from the bottom. Tapos mayroon naman siyang bagong growth dito. Yan. Lalabas, pangwalo. Yan, ito, ang ganda niya. Yan. Ang last na leaves niya, mayroong 3 penetration niya. Tapos ito, yung second to the last, super ganda ang dahon niya, walang penetration. And then dito, mayroong 3. Yan, tapos nakalagay lang guys ito sa 5-inch nursery pot. Yan, okay naman siya. Okay? So, this is number 3 from the bottom. Here's my 4th plant. Ito siya, ang dahon niya, itong unique ito siya, her leaves just going spread out like wings, going east and west, and even including here, look at her healthy aerial root. Hopefully by spring, I look forward to propagate, to have more plant, yung mga ganitong type na plant. Kaya yan, and this is the original cutting, yung pinutol ko. Malapad na yung dahon guys, ganda naman din siya, marble ang ano niya. Tapos, original blades. And then, ito yung second. Yan, parang tabako. Yan, pero okay lang yan. The important is they're healthy. And ito yung pangatlo. Yeah. And then 4, mayroon na siyang 2 penetration. And then the 5th penetration. Check her out. Isn't she gorgeous? Yeah. The plant midlife beautiful and bring joy. Here you go. This is the 4 plant from the bottom. Okay, that's it for this plant. Let me get the number 5. Number 5 from the bottom. Okay, yeah, the same thing guys. Here's the original leaves. This is her original leaves. Okay, and the new leaves that's come out. And here's the second. And let's see. There's one here with 1 penetration. And this one here with another 1 penetration. And here, this one is 3. Here, you tell. So pretty on the variegation. And the last leaves is, here we go. This is her last leaves. And so far, they're all healthy. Thank God, knock on the wood. And she's got a new one here too. This is a bulging start coming out. And she just fairly new. You can see itong bago niyang leaves. So medyo light green pa siya. Hindi siya dark green. Kaya yeah, she's fairly new. And yeah, ganda ng ano niya. Tapos by the way, itong mossful na to, ginawa ko lang siya. Kasi cost money pag bumili sa store. Kaya ginawa ko lang ito siya, guys. Yan. Ito siya. Okay? Tapos, tingnan nyo yung healthy yung mga roots niya dito. Yeah. Very good. This is 6 leaves, not counting the original. Okay, 7 altogether if I have to count the original. Okay. Number 5. Number 5 out of it. Yan. Take a look. Okay, let me get the number 6. All right, this is the number. Yeah, here you go. And number 6 out of 8. Tapos, this one here is mostly green and a little bit splash of white, the variegation. And yeah, it's having like having like an issue. Mostly this one is green, but it's okay, guys, as long as healthy. And I'm hoping that one day, yeah, babalik din siya sa babalik din ito siya sa variegation niya. Ngayon lang to nag-ano lang siya ng ano niya, nag-revert siya, kaya ganyan. Pero yeah, isa rin ito 6 out of 8. Tapos yan ang original dahon niya. Ito siya. I think expected na to kasi tingnan mo yung dahon niya at saka yung mga stem niya, yung tangkay, ayan, green. Yeah, kunti lang talaga yung variegated na puti na stripe. Kunti lang talaga siya. Kaya yan, expected ko na siya. Kaya lang, I'm hoping na one day, bumalik siya ng pagka, ano niya, yung even naman na variegation. Pero, yeah, but I can't complain. Healthy siya masyado. Yan, tingnan niyo. Kung nilagyan siya ng shell, tapos yung aerial roots niya, yeah, gumaganyan. Ayoko namang galawin siya, hayaan na lang yan. Later on, maybe maghanap siya ng, pupunta siya dito sa soil, sa aeroid. Tapos, yeah, so far ang dahon niya ay, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mayroon siyang pang 7, palabas na rin. I'm hoping na makapropagate ako by spring ng at least yung tanim na hopefully at least 10 bawat tanim, no? That would be nice. Kaya ito siya, basta patuloy lang yung healthy growth niya. I think we can. Tapos, ngayon guys, kasi malamig na dito sa bahay, malamig rin dito sa bahay namin, pero I'm talking about sa labas, malamig na. Kaya ang mga halaman ganito, really necessary na ipasok sa loob ng bahay. Kaya nandito sila sa loob ng bahay ko. Ayan, or some of them nasa greenhouse. Ito siya, ganda niya. Okay. Nakakatuwa ito siya. So, ito yung 6 out of 8. Number 7 with another shield. 7 out of 8. Yan. Ito siya yung, this is the original cutting. Yan. Wala siyang fenestration. Tapos, kunti lang yung variegation niya. I-splash just a little bit. Kaya, tingnan nyo siya. Medyo, yeah, mostly green. Ito siya yung 7 out of 8. Tapos, mayroon siyang bagong, palabas na rin siya. Yan, tingnan nyo. Yeah, my pride and joy. Ito yung mainly yung 7 at saka 8 na cutting. yung nagkakaiba sila mostly mga green. Pero okay lang. Maganda pa din. I like it. Last one, number 8 is this. Yan, ang dahon niya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about to go on 8. Ito siya, oh. This is the top cutting, guys. Yeah, from my first propagation. Yeah. Tingnan nyo yung mga bago niyang gamot. Yung roots niya dito, oh. Yan. Malaki din yung katawan niya, yung node. That's it for the first propagation. Okay, and produces 8 albo. From 1 to 8 albo. Yeah, here she is. Okay, and thank you for watching.